Well, this has been a 15-year journey. I started with the concept of the internal brace, how we could encourage early mobilization after surgery and recovery, because immobilization is so detrimental in so many ways. But it took a long time. We had 10 years of translational research, then we had to convince the surgical community around the world. And the fantastic thing about this meeting is this is really a coming together and an agreement that it is changing patient care, it's transforming patient care, and it's all been worthwhile.
It's so important to be here, to be part of this. And also I'm honored to be here because it's such an important group that Gordon has put together. His concept of internal brace is going to help us move forward, help so many patients do better over time. And that's something that we need to help educate the rest of the community, medical community about, and also the world about.
For me, I think it's two things. Understanding how all the experts think. So what do they think? And how are they arriving at their conclusions? And are those things that I can include in my practice, number one? And then two, can we come together on true consensus and or get closer to these are the applications, how we use it, why we use it, who we should use it in. And if we can cone that down and make that more specific and take that to the broader world, I'd say this has been a huge success.
My view with these sorts of things is don't leave the stone unturned. We don't want to come back and go, oh, we should have asked for that. So to think about as much as we can beforehand so that we get some really fantastic, productive discussion.
So I think this idea of a third round for the Delphi process is huge for us to develop the best possible paper to publish for orthopedic surgeons to look at in the future.
I hope to take away the fact that we can work together and build off of each other's experience and make our experience for our patients even better.
We're always evolving, right? Are there things that we can do to, number one, show that what we're doing is the right thing? I think we're doing that. I think our literature is showing more and more and more that the outcomes are right. And two, can we all come to a consensus when to use it and how to use it? That's what we're here for.
I know the other consensus meeting that you had before, and now being someone that uses it a lot, talks about it a lot, publishes on it, I was absolutely honored to be here. I wanted to be part of the thinkers about what the consensus is for the next 2 to 3 years before we do this again, because I do have a lot of strong opinions on it.
We're so in consensus that the few things we're not in consensus about, I feel like we're all librarians. We're digging deep in the card catalog, looking for specific little esoteric things to argue about. It's hard to get 2 surgeons to agree, much less a room full of about 25. Yet, and nonetheless, this internal brace has really brought us together.
What I've tried to do is provide the science and prove that this concept, for me, for ACL reconstruction, that's been my focus, and ACL repair, that's where I've tried to go. So I think if I can present science to my colleagues and positive outcomes for my patients, that's a win-win situation, and I think that's how it's going to go for us in the future. I think Gordon has tried to do that as well, so I think he's been a strong influence for all of us.
I feel we have reached a tipping point that's transforming patient care, and we need a consensus, an evidence-based group that can publish that information, which will provide guidance for surgeons all around the world. The beauty of it is that it coinciding with the Commonwealth Games, which has participation of some 75 countries, this information will be shared with them throughout the Commonwealth, and it's a tremendous conclusion to what at times has been a challenging journey.